Hello guys, this is Vijay back with another interesting video for you guys. If you are new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button so that you will get our content often. Today we are going to see how to factory data reset our mobile. In my case, I'm using Samsung mobile. Before you start resetting, you should know something. This is going to erase all your data. So please take a backup of your photos as well as your contact details. Just go to settings. Once you are in settings, you can go to general management. Once you click general management, there you can see reset button. Click on that reset button. Once you are there, you can see factory data reset. Once you click factory data reset, you are in that page. You need to know something. This is gonna erase all your Google account as well as settings, every details you have, even music, pictures, everything. So that you must take a backup of it. Once you are in here, just click the reset button. It will ask for your pin. Once you give the pin, it will start resetting. In my case, I'm not going to reset my mobile. This is just for an informative video. This is just informative video. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Do like us